Remy, where technology meets simplicity. Welcome to Remy unboxing video series. In this video, we will be unboxing PDC-1X portable donor chair. Specially designed for blood donation camps to provide comfort and safety to the blood donors. So, let's start with the unboxing process. Tear open the box with the help of a cutter. Now, take out the chair packed in a plastic cover. Tear open the plastic with the help of a cutter and place the chair on the base. Finally, the important process of understanding and fixing the PDC-1X. Let's begin with loosen the belt and take out the steel handles. Then remove both the handrests. Unlock the leg locker. Open the upper leg of the chair and then the lower leg. Fix the position of the leg using the leg locker. Turn around the chair and make it stand on its four legs. Open the backrest to its original position. Place the pillow on the backrest by attaching it to the velcro provided. Insert the steel handle into the holder at the side of the chair and fix the knob and turn it to tighten the steel handle. Now, insert the armrest in the steel handle fixed to the chair. Tighten it by rotating the knob. Repeat the same process to fix the armrest on the other side of the chair. The flexible handrest can be adjusted as per the donor's comfort. Loosen the knob and push it away from the chair body as per the donor's comfort. The position of the chair can be adjusted as shown in the video. Unlock the leg locker and adjust as per the donor's comfort. Finally, the chair is ready to be used. Presenting the versatile PDC-1X portable donor chair ready to be used for blood donation. Let's figure out the do's and the don'ts. The do's are: place the unit on a uniform flat surface. The don'ts are: do not place any sharp object on the seat and back support. Kindly make a note of this important announcement. Read the instructions in the manual provided very carefully. Make sure the warranty information is clear and keep it in a safe place. To avail the warranty benefits, kindly make sure you register your product on our website www.remylabworld.com/product-registration/. It is mandatory. To know more about us, you can reach out to us via email at support@remylabworld.com. You can also visit our website www.remylabworld.com. Thank you for watching Remy unboxing video series. We hope you found this informative and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like icon. Remy, where technology meets simplicity.